Hello, welcome to our channel, Trendvids Media. This channel is dedicated to helping you create professional videos that are captivating and engaging. We bring you the latest tricks and tips on how to create trending TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, YouTube videos, YouTube Shorts in order to achieve consistent viewers' engagement and increase views in your various platforms. As the name implies, this channel is dedicated to bringing you trending updates that will keep you abreast and relevant in all seasons. This channel covers the following areas: video editing tips and tricks using your smartphone and PC, tips and hacks on how to make a TikTok video go viral fast, step-by-step Instagram trending reels, video editing tutorials, pro tips and guide on how to make your reels go viral on Instagram, beginner's guide on how to use the best video editing apps without watermark, be it CapCut video editor, Inshot, KineMaster, and some other professional PC editors, Canva video editing, Canva animation, and how to create Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts for your channel. So remember to subscribe to stay updated when we post videos weekly. Thank you.